In today's top cryptocurrency news, May 31, 2023, in the first new, Multichain team cannot locate CEO, halts service for affected chains. Cross-chain services are suspended for KEKchain, Public Mint, Dino Chain, Red Light Chain, Dexit, Ecta, HPB, Onus, Omax, Findora and Plank. In the second new, Tether expands reach in Georgia through investment in CityPay.io. The partnership seeks to enhance the payment industry in Georgia by introducing heightened efficiency. In the third new, EU officials sign markets in crypto assets framework into law. First introduced in 2020, MICA aims to create a consistent regulatory framework for crypto assets among the European Union member states. In the fourth new, NFT collections take massive price hit in 2023, Nifty Newsletter, May 24 to 30th. The value of popular NFTs has sharply declined over the past year, with drops of up to 95%. In the fifth new, Fantom starts paying developers to generate gas fees. Developers will get a 15% cut of the fees they generate, but only if their app has done more than 125,000 transactions and has existed for 3 months. In the sixth new, Web3 gaming gets competitive, QORPO Game Studio joins Cointelegraph Accelerator. Web3 game developer QORPO Game Studio aims to introduce competitive esports to the Web3 gaming ecosystem. In the seventh new, price analysis 531, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOGE, MATIC, SOL, LTC. Bitcoin and most major altcoins are struggling to hold on to their higher levels, indicating that the bears have not given up yet. In the eighth new, Hong Kong Virtual Assets Consortium launched with Huobi as first member. The new consortium will provide ratings of digital asset trading platforms and cryptocurrency market indexes when it becomes operational. In the ninth new, TRC-20 USDT circulation hits record high 5 years after Tron mainnet launch. Over 60% of USDT supply is currently issued on the Tron blockchain, according to Tether data. In the 10th new, former House Rep blames industry outsiders for associating crypto with banks' failure. According to Barney Frank, signature banks only issue prior to regulators seizing control in March was crypto-fee inaccurate withdrawals. In the 11th new, Bitcoin played second fiddle as KAVA, XRP, TRX, RPL and RNDR led the crypto market in May. Bitcoin is about to close its worst-performing month since FTX collapsed, but a handful of altcoins posted noteworthy gains in May. In the 12th new, from cricket to crypto, AB de Villiers ventures into Web3. South African cricket icon AB de Villiers trades his bat for Web3 as he discusses his love affair with NFTs and a partnership with a novel Ethereum-based investment platform. In the 13th new, Binance plans new round of layoffs amid increased regulatory scrutiny. Binance Chief Strategy Officer Patrick Hillman hinted on Twitter the resource reorganization is meant to address growing regulatory pressures targeting the crypto space. In the 14th new, Bitcoin fragments could become more valuable than full Bitcoins. Collectors known as set hunters are collecting satoshis from rare Bitcoin, and those fragments may eventually be worth more than regular Bitcoin. In the 15th new, Web3 developer MATIC raises $52 million in funding led by PayPal Ventures. The company has raised $80 million for wallet development since its inception in 2020. In the 16th new, Bitcoin hodlers exited capitulation above $20,000, new metric hints. Long-term holder spending is seeking equilibrium, Glassnode suggests, but nothing will be quiet for long. In the 17th new, EU-US should push for AI Code of Conduct, EU Tech Chief. The EU Tech Chief spoke to members of the EU-US Trade and Technology Council about the need for a voluntary code of conduct prior to the forthcoming laws. In the 18th new, mad scientists NFTs degrade when they are traded, 0xDEAFBEF, NFT creator. Self-proclaimed tinkerer 0xDEAFBEF has hit it big with audio-visual NFTs that slowly degrade in quality every time they are traded. In the 19th new, Cuba Bitcoin community hosts BTC-only meetup. The Cuba Bitcoin community hosted the country's first-ever Bitcoin-only meetup in Havana over the weekend, attended by 60 crypto-curious Cubans. In the 20th new, Binance to delist privacy tokens in France, Italy, Spain and Poland. Binance users in France, Italy, Poland and Spain will no longer be able to buy or sell 12 privacy tokens starting from June 26. In the 21st new, crypto communities send ETH tweets spark various theories and warnings. Several social media accounts followed the trend, with one requesting ETH to purchase an NFT and another pledging to spend the money on drugs. In the 22nd new, Crypto Phishing Scams, How Users Can Stay Protected. A look at the different techniques employed by crypto phishing scammers and how users can stay protected. In the 23rd new, blockchain firm raises $25 million to develop third-generation architecture. Intent-centric blockchain protocol Anoma secures $25 million in funding to continue developing its third-generation architecture. In the 24th new, Chinese officials issue warning about AI and national security. Leaders in Beijing have stressed the need for dedicated efforts to protect national security and improve the security governance of artificial intelligence. In the 25th new, AML rules for digital assets to come into effect in UAE. The licensed financial institutions would be required to verify the identities of all customers. In the 26th new, former SEC chief warns influencers about prosecution for crypto price manipulation. The SEC has started clamping down on crypto influencers, issuing several fines and cease and desist orders in the past few years. In the 27th new, CNHC stablecoin issuer detained by Chinese police, report. KuCoin Ventures and Circle Ventures are among the investors in the Chinese offshore yuan-pegged stablecoin, which is reportedly under investigation in China. In the 28th new, Bitcoin risks new lows into monthly close as BTC price retests $27,000. BTC price performance looks limp on the last day of May, with the 200-week moving average rapidly coming into view. In the 29th new, how to avoid impulse buying and save money instead. Take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals by avoiding impulse buying using budgeting apps. In the 30th new, XDC Network gets Japanese foothold via partnership with SBI subsidiary. After a fruitful spring season, the XDC Network expands its presence in the Japanese market via SBI VC Trade. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.